Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Milan, and today, Tuesday, 20 February 2024. My trade setup direction for today will be long on the New Zealand, the US dollar and the Aussie, and short on the yen, the Swiss and the CAD. Before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. On the dollar index, we can see some weakness still coming in on the dollar yesterday. I saw this long upper shadow. I turned slightly bearish on the short term on this, but definitely not on the longer term. Dollar losing its speed up there, still in the third spot since yesterday. But I can see, it wanted to cap up this morning. I was a bit more bullish this morning when I woke up, but now it's dropping and seems like it wants to come back to retest these moving averages, which is 100% normal for a normal bull market. Then gold still, as the dollar weakens, we will see a little bit of gold strength, busy coming back to this 2025 levels for retesting. This is the coup de grace. This is the triangle, the break, the retest. This is the area that I would want to see now. It either cuts through upwards on a weakening dollar. That will give us continuation on bullishness for gold. And if we can get a test and a reversal on a stronger dollar, that'll give us more bearish downside on gold. Then on the euro yen. We're long on the euro yen. We've got a couple of trades here open now. I pointed out this one last week, the morning star. There was the opportunity to get long the break, the retest, and then a nice bounce yesterday on the 1 hour charts. If you're a 1 hour trader, you saw the test here, morning star, very nice morning star. You also had a double bottom. You can see how the market almost tested, then came back, tested, and then the break. So there was the double bottom. That was an entry. So you had the morning star, the double bottom on the support level. And then also on the 4 hour charts, there was a morning star there that you could have traded there yesterday. So there was 3 different options to get into this trade. The initial morning star, the 1 hour morning star or double bottom, and then the morning star candle pattern on the 4 hour charts. So running up nicely, we did set targets on our previous videos, and we are like 30 pips away from those targets. This new target, the new entry from yesterday, no problem, drawing the Fibonacci's there. And we can push a little bit further to 1.618 on that one. The risk on that trade there was roughly 50, and up there we're looking at 75. That's 1 to 1.5. If you go back into the history, you find some lovely levels coming in there, and that's why I've selected those levels. But for now, hold on tight. 12 stop losses on everything to this low. So that means this is in the money. That's slightly out of the money. The 1 hour charts, definitely as it made a new high, you trailed your stop loss to those lows. So definitely in the money on everything. Stop losses can't lose money, and that is a great place to be. Nothing new that I will do here today. I first want to hit my targets, then I'll start to get interested in some retracements. CAD Swiss, you can see here the CAD is busy losing steam against the Swiss, but we are in the long. Doesn't look as good as the euro yen, but nonetheless we are in there. And we are not underwater with the trade, are in the money. Can't really trail the stop loss yet. So for now, I need to see a new high there. It needs to break through that levels there. Once it breaks up there, then I'll consider to take or pull my stop loss, maybe to entry or even this low here. But I'll see later today and tomorrow. For now, I'm just going to hold on tight. CAD still stronger than the Swiss, but losing speed together with the dollar. You can see here the CAD and the pound is fighting for that position there. New Zealand Swiss, we long from this area here. I showed you last week, I think Tuesday or Monday, I can't remember, but it was a bullish engulfing. If you're not sure, go and watch the videos from last week. And the bullish engulfing, we had the break, the retest started to run up, we trailed the stop loss, and now you had a potential T1 there, and a final target got hit at 1.618 FIP, even going up stronger. But that was the earmark of this trade. The risk of this trade was about 40, and that one there was roughly 25. And the profit on this trade up there was about 60, and from that level there gave you up to 70 almost. So that's an easy 1 to 1.5, 1 to 2 risk reward. Beautiful trade, and in my books this trade is now closed. And the FTSE, still the only index I want to trade. We've got a weaker pound, which is gaining slightly. That becomes worrisome for me. But for now, on a retracement, that's where I will get interested. I will not be interested up there. I won't buy in at these levels. I'm going to need a decent retracement back to this support level here before I'll consider anything. And then I'll study the pound again. I need to be long. I need a weak pound. At this stage, wants to push up slightly on the page, but we'll see. It's still weak. Aussie yen running up the page now together with the Aussie, but Aussie up there, yen down there. Definitely want to be bullish here, but not at these levels. I'm waiting for a potential retracement back to this big support level. That might take a few days, it might take a few weeks. But when it gets back here, I'll then see if I can take some longs. Then on the pound, New Zealand dropping like a rock. I had it up yesterday, also never retraced far enough. Still, if it retraces back to the 61% Fibonacci level there, at that structure there, I'm going to look for some shorts. If you look at pound there, New Zealand up there, New Zealand got all the sparkle. So I want to be long New Zealand. And by shorting the pound New Zealand, I'll then have a long position on New Zealand. For now, I'll wait patiently for retracement. At these levels, I will not sell short. And the Euro Swiss, the break of this consolidation pattern happened yesterday. We're waiting for the retest, but there's no counter reversals. If you look at the Euro, they're gaining across the board against the Swiss, which is very weak. I would love to see a retest there before I'll consider any longs. If it comes back down further even, the support level, the structure here, I'll get interested in. But at those levels, I will not buy. I need a retest to confirm the sidewaysness here, that it's a break and a retest, and then a nice counter reversal. Then I'll consider some longs. Then on the US Swiss, we got the break. Dollar still stronger than the Swiss. Dollar under pressure everywhere on the short term. We'll see on the retest here. Once I get a retest, I'll look for some counter reversals here. Or if it cuts through to this area here, I'll then look for some long setups at the support level here also. Euro pound, not one of my favorites, but in general, but the pattern is very nice. And in the Euro pound, all good, two different colors, a little bit close to each other, but I can see a lot of Euro strength suddenly this morning. So I would like to see a break, a retest, and then a counter reversal with a little flag pattern or a falling wedge, or triangle, whatever you want to call this. It's a consolidation pattern. I don't care about the names, but I need a break and a retest and then a reversal. That'll confirm the consolidation area. US yen, still bullish on this, although there's a lot of pressure on the dollar this morning. Yen still weak. So I would not try retracement at this stage, although this is very lucrative, this level. But the main one I'll be looking at is this consolidation period, the break, the retest, and then a counter reversal there. Then I will consider some longs. And the New Zealand yen, flying up the page. The retracement bring us back to the 61% levels, which is moving a bit out of range now. But with the New Zealand up there, the yen down there, I'm still really interested in this. On a retracement, I'll then look for some long setups here. But for now, I won't trade at these levels. I'll just wait for retracements. Then my favorite trade idea for today is a potential long on the Aussie Swiss. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for me so I can keep making content like this. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now, if you look at the Aussie Swiss, Aussie second strongest, Swiss, well, fighting with the yen to be the weakest. Between those two, they are just fighting and flipping around while I'm talking. So we got this nice last swing here, the retracement right to the 50% level there. If it goes further up, I'll still allow it to go until that level moves out of the 61% level. But for now, it's up there. If it can retest here and I can get a good counter reversal, I love this trend. Look at this nice strong trend, just going up. Almost no consolidations, just run, retracement, run, retracement. There's no real consolidations even slowing down. So this trend looks very strong on the Aussie Swiss. So on retest here, based on the Aussie there and the yen down there, I will look for some longs on candle pattern reversals. But trading isn't just about my insights, guys. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003. If you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program, or you can support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.